Hi everyone. My name is Kavita. I'm representing BITS Pilani Dubai campus. As you all know, we are 60 years old in India, and in UAE, we are 25 years old. Now, talking about us, we are pioneer in providing education in the field of engineering and management. As a career counselor, I feel it's very important to connect the child with the right programs, show them the career map. The way we have a Google map, we have maps studied in our school. It's very, very important to have a career map. And this decision has to take in from grade 9 onwards. So you start exploring the career option is something that Spilani Dubai believes in. We stay connected with the student. We provide them the different workshops, different webinars so that they are aware about it. So we at BITS Pilani Dubai campus believe to give and provide information to have an informed decision for the student. At BITS Pilani Dubai campus, we implement exactly the same curricula which has been established in our Indian campus as we come under UGC. However, if you want to know, understand the difference, is basically you are coming on the international platform. When you come here, you get accessibility to different opportunity, which is at international level. You try to understand how the world works here. There are different 180 plus nationalities, so you get an opportunity to interact with the student who are coming from different background and different learning curriculum as well. I think this is the most interesting question because today everybody talks about AI. It's very important to know what is AI all about. AI is an additional tool which is going to help you out to analyze, take decision, to understand the structure of your whichever area you are looking for to making a decision. So AI cannot be ignored. For example, you're coming to BITS Pilani, you take any stream of engineering, I assure you, you will be learning AI. That comes either into the discipline electives or open electives. Even if you're going to be a management student, still you're going to learn AI. So AI, of course, is one of the tool which has to be considered, and it is one of the skill set. As I told you before, that we are nurturing the students' aspiration from grade 9 itself. So it is very, very important for us to have a platform which will support us in the processes. And that's how the lead square comes in the picture. Lead Square help us to maintain the whole life cycle of the student's aspiration. Not only that, it also help us to communicate with the student very smoothly to understand the reaction and the decision making of the student. So I think yes, any organization need a CRM, and we are using Lead Square now, and that's really really helpful. It adds value to our processes and the strategies which we are implementing. We are using Lead Square basically into admissions departments and the processes. As it informed you, we nurture the lead since beginning, and it helps us to maintain the life cycle and connect back to the parents and the students. The Lead Square help us into the processes. My favorite portion with Lead Square is nothing but the reports. It helps us to understand where we are and what needs to be done. Most important for any organization, any leader, or any employee, it is important to have an accuracy. I think Lead Square is able to help us with the exact accuracy of what solutions we are looking forward for. To conclude with the whole journey with Lead Square, on the scale of 10, I would rate Lead Square at 7.5. Reason is because obviously should be some scope of improvement always, and Lead Square has that potential to come up with the solution. So it will be 7.5, which is, I think, again, a very high rate to be considered. So thank you so much. Thank you, Lead Square. And we look forward to work together.